Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I make arroz con pollo. Once you have chopped up your onions and bell peppers, you will set your Instapot to saute. You will set the time for 10 minutes and you will add 2 tablespoons of olive oil or your oil of choice. When the Instapot has warmed, you will add your chicken. You will cook your chicken for about 5 to 10 minutes until it is no longer pink. At this point, make sure to mix around your chicken so it does not stick to the bottom of your Instapot. Once you see the chicken is no longer pink, you can add 1 tablespoon of pepper and 2 tablespoons of salt. When the chicken is almost thoroughly cooked, you will take it out of the Instapot and set it aside. You will continue to saute as you add the onions and the bell peppers. Soon you will add the rice. Make sure you have rinsed the rice. The rice will be 4 cups. Somewhat translucent, you will add the rice. Here I added 4 cups of rice. Stir the rice along with the bell peppers and onions, and then add 2 cups of water and 1.5 cup of beer. Now we will add 2 to 3 bay leaves, 2 tablespoons of chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 4 packets of Sazon Goya. The Sazon Goya ratio is 1 packet to 1 cup of rice, and in this case we used 4 cups of rice. We will use 4 packets. can stir all the ingredients before we add the chicken. After doing the math, I realized I was missing 1 cup of water, so here I add an additional cup of water. Now we will add the chicken to the Instapot, and we will also add 2 cans of peas. We will stir everything around and put the lid on the Instapot. Now we will select pressure cook and set the timer for 20 minutes. In the meantime, while the arroz con pollo is cooking, you can make some plátanos for the side. We will fry the plátanos for about 5 minutes on each side until they're about golden brown. If you want them a little bit more crisp, you can leave them for a little bit more time, waiting until they get a little bit darker, and then set aside to drain. Now that the pressure cooker is done and we have let out the steam, we will open it up and let some of the water absorb for a while before we actually take out the rice. Once it's all ready, you can serve with a side of plátanos and some sour cream. That's all. If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and I will be making more Instapot videos.